Dear traders, before moving on with the course, we have a neutral view trading Telegram channel. In this channel, you will get all the stock related analysis and high quality content related to the stocks and stock market. So you can subscribe to this channel. The link for this channel is in the below description, and additionally we also have a Twitter channel where here also we post high quality content related to stocks and stock market. You can follow us for this as well. Now let's move on with our course content ahead. Now let us move and understand the next concept, that is crash and correction. Stock market crash is when economy faces problems like war kind of scenario, or if there is any news. You might have seen that 2018, in 2018 there was a Lehman Brother collapse where it impacted the market and all the markets went into crash situation where continuous selling will be seen in the market. If there is a war kind of scenario, suppose there was a Ukraine-Russia war that happened, during that time, we would have seen how market responded. There was a continuous selling because of the wartime fear. And another kind of example is medical emergency. You might have seen in the coronavirus day where Modi on 22nd of March, he announced the lockdown completely. So there is no economic performance, right? Due to this, there is a fear that arose in the market, which will impact the market eventually. So on 23rd of March, you can see in the chart where the entire stock market has gone into down phase where the market crash has happened. Another kind of a scenario where in the recent times it's like a popular one where FII selling pressure. If there is any issue in the market or if there is any market crash situation, you can see FIIs are continually selling in the market, and there will be slowly a market going down. This is one of the scenario that you can keep in mind whenever you're trying to observe the market. Another thing is correction. Correction is when economy recovers from the crash that has happened in the previous day. Correct? Correction takes a lot of time and it is not very instant. Some call it V-shaped recovery, which is the initial phase of the correction that happens in the market. When the V-shaped recovery has happened, people say that the buying has started in the market started to recover, market is in the correction phase. This is the one thing that happens in the market. Okay, there is a positive news. Suppose we got a vaccination information during the corona situation. So when we heard there is a vaccination for this issue, then it is a positive news in the market. The economy will be back into its track, so it will perform well. So this is one of the positive news that will drive the market to the upward journey. Correct?